Welcome to Idea Shall Learn, part 13 of SQL video series. I am Ganesh. In our previous video, we have discussed about how to use top and distinct keywords. And in this video, we will discuss about how to write queries using update command. This is the same employee table which we are discussing so far in our previous videos. This is the syntax for the update command. Let's see how to write a statement using this update command. For so long we are maintaining this age value as null, which should hold the age of Mini. Let's try updating Mini's age. For populating Mini's age, I am writing a query like this. Update employee set age equal to 25, where my unique field in this table is ID. So ID equal to E3. Okay. The reason why I choose ID over name field is there are chances that same name can be for multiple employees, whereas ID will be unique for employees. That is, at no point of time, a single ID will be assigned to multiple employees. And that's the reason I specified ID as a condition so that I can uniquely pick my employee Mini. Let's select and execute this query. One row affected, which means our query executed successfully. Now let's select this employee table and see the results. Now if you could see, Mini's age is populated with 25. Rather than saying Mini record is populated, it would be more meaningful to say E3 record is populated, because employee ID E3 will be unique for an employee. Okay, so far we have seen how to update one record on a table. Now let's see how to update multiple records in a table. I am copying this query. I am going to update as age equal to 26. For some reason now Mini's age is entered wrongly. So let's say we are going to correct the value as 26. So I am giving as age is equal to 26. Along with that, let's say there is a correction to the Mini's name as well. Rather than entering both first name and second name, for some reason only the first name is entered. So name equal to some name. Let's call it as Mini doll. Let's look at this query one more time. So what we are doing here is we are updating age as 26 and name we are updating as Mini doll. For who we are updating? It is for the ID E3. ID E3 belongs to employee Mini. Let's go ahead and execute this query. One row affected. Let's again select this table. So if you notice, the name is changed to Mini doll and age is changed to 26, which is expected. Okay, let's see one more scenario. For the same employee E3, I want to update the same ID field. So ID equal to, instead of E3, I want the employee ID changed to be E11. So here we are trying to update the same field by giving the same field as the condition as well. Let's see how this query behaves. What do you think? Do you think it is going to execute and update the values? Let's execute this and see. I'm selecting this, executing it. One row affected. I'm selecting the employee table. Okay. So if you notice, ID has changed from E3 to E11 for Mini. So the answer is we can update a field by giving the same field in the where condition. Okay. So let's revert it to the previous state. To do that, ID equal to, I am changing it as E3. And in the where class, I am giving ID equal to E11. Okay, we have corrected it. Let's run the select statement and verify it. Yes, we have corrected it. advanced level of update statements are covered in the later sections of this video series. If you find this video useful, I suggest you to share this with your friends and colleagues. Closing it for now. Thank you.